All right, y'all, this is going to be a very important Bitcoin update. Now, yesterday, Bitcoin got a very significant move to the upside, and today we've kind of been ranging a little bit, putting in a high at around 23.8, lows at around 23.3, and I want to talk about how I've been approaching this, how people in the VIP Discord have been trading this today, as well as what I think is going to happen in the future. So make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So I want to talk about what is happening in the moment. We're going to start in a very small context, and then we're going to zoom out. So Bitcoin came to a very important area of resistance this morning of around 24.2K. In fact, yesterday in the VIP Discord, actually this morning in the VIP Discord, we did have this level marked out on the chart as the next area of resistance, right? A chicken's drinking water at 24,157. Now, of course, last night we talked about the major area of support being a retest of these highs, and that's exactly what we got last night. So, the last thing I posted last night was the important resistance was going to be the retest of these highs. That's exactly what we did get over the night. We came down and retested those highs to the dollar. And then, of course, this morning when I was posting my levels update, that next area of resistance was that 24,157 level. So during the VIP live stream that we do every single Wednesday morning with Boyan, where we go over the price action, Boyan actually gave this very precise trade setup right here.
Of resistance that's really close to us right now. I have one at 24,200.
So he gave the level at 24,200. That was his level, and he gave the setup in the live stream. He took the short right from here, and what a juicy short it was. And so literally right from his level, 24,200, the green box that we've already had on our radar since yesterday, we get a move right down from there. And then later on today, we were able to grab another short from the golden pocket retracement. So again, in the VIP Discord, we come down to the potential day trade setups right here. And I gave this setup as we were coming up to the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement. As we were coming up to that level, this is actually where it gets really important, guys, because when we take a look at the 4-hour time frame and down, we are starting to see bearish divergences, right? We are really starting to see some bearish divergences forming on the 4-hour time frame and down. If we take a look, we can see that as we put in this last high, the 4-hour time frame was getting lower momentum. On the 2-hour time frame as well, we see this bearish divergence right here. On the 1-hour time frame, we also see bearish divergences and money flow starting to come down. When we take a look at the 12-minute time frame, we can see that as we came up to this golden pocket, we were printing a bearish trigger wave on market Cipher B, and money flow is coming down. So the question is, are we going to get more of movement downside, or are we going to push more to the upside? Because this is actually pretty important. If these bearish signs don't go away, we actually could see more movement to the downside. Now, this doesn't mean I'm not bullish, right? This does not mean I am not bullish. I've been bullish since 19K, and so I still maintain a bullish sentiment. But it's very, very important that we are able to hold some key levels. And here's what the key areas of support have to be. A retrace is healthy, especially after a big move to the upside. If we move up too fast, that is unhealthy. A healthy move to the upside has retracements. Now, so far, this move up has been caused by new traders stepping into the market and entering new longs, right? This can be seen if we take a look at an order flow chart where we can look at, during the majority of this move to the upside here, we see a very large increase in open interest here, and we can see new longs actually stepping in to the markets. Every time we got a little pullback, those shorts were absorbed, acting as fuel to push us up to the next high. But right now, we're starting to see volume taper down a little bit. We're starting to see open interest decrease a little bit. And so we might get a little retracement here. We might not. We might continue up. But if we get a retracement, these are the areas where I am actually looking to add to and or enter long positions. All right? This is very important. So first of all, we have the volume range that we traded here. Let me turn off some of these levels here. I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to remove this Fibonacci retracement. We have broken out of this right here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just pull that. We have broken out of this range, and so 21.8. So long as we don't lose 21.8, I still remain extremely bullish, expecting a move up to that $28,000 level. Now, right now, I would say that the major areas of support that we have, if we do get a move to the downside, are going to be the following. Number one, this Fibonacci golden pocket retracement right here. Now you can see that we came down and pretty much bounced off of this to the dollar. So this is support number one. If we hold this support and we continue getting moved to the upside, that may have been the retracement, and then we get another move to the upside. Now the next major area is going to be this Fibonacci retracement from right here. Now this is coming in at around 22.6. This is also a very important level because of the fact that this is the previous highs that we have put in here. So if we take a look at the chart, what's going on? I have my magnet tool on. If we take a look at the chart here and we just draw this line, we can see that that golden pocket is coming in at the retest of these highs. So that would be kind of like a proper breakout and retest of previous resistance as support around 22.5, 22.6 for another move to the upside. And then lastly, I am looking at this right here, where we have this high volume node at around 22.2 down to that 21.8 level. This is very important because this is where the majority of the volume traded in that bull flag before the breakout. And so long as we don't come back inside of this range right here, okay, as long as we don't come below that 21.8 level, we can still expect more of a move to the upside. So honestly, best case scenario for me, as I'm looking to build a long position, well, you know, looking for long positions, right, in general, would be to come back down to this level or even this level for a retest and be able to get into a nice juicy long from there, because that would give us, you know, a very nice 9% retrace, right? It's possible. But so long as we don't lose these levels, I am still remaining bullish. Now, I'm still short right now, guys. I'm still short from the golden pocket. We can see that we are indeed getting a pretty significant move to the downside from that short setup that I gave in the VIP Discord right now. And we hit that level to the dang dollar, guys. We hit it to the dang dollar. So shout out to everybody who took that trade. By the way, if you want to get into the VIP Discord, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. And man, we are getting a pretty significant move to the downside right now, guys. And so we will have to see how this plays out. I'm on the edge of my sheet. These are the levels that we need to be looking out for. If you do want to learn how to trade this way, where we can have a trade set up in advance like this and literally short it almost to the exact dollar, guys. I mean, almost to the exact dollar, because we're prepared for it and we have a plan in advance. You can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. This course will give you the knowledge and the skills you need to become a confident, profitable trader, because it gives you the blueprint. So you always have a point A to point B system where you know where you're looking to enter a trade, where you should take profit, where your stop loss should be, etc., etc. Just wanted to come in and make this quick update, guys, as Bitcoin is currently dumping right now. So make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace.